The electronic portfolio software that I chose to use is from PBworks. It's the EDUhub. To use this platform, the first thing is that the view page is what your viewers will see, and then you can click edit to edit your page to however you want it to look. This would be the front page of my portfolio. And then whenever you add changes to it, so I could put welcome to my portfolio, you want to make sure that you save it, and it will lead you right back to the view, and that's what your viewers will see. To create, modify, and add pages, you would click on create a page, and you would name the page anything you'd like. So for example, you could do lesson plans. And then you can create the page, and then you can add anything that you'd like on here. So we could put lesson plans, ages 3 to 5, and then again you'd want to press save changes, and then your viewers would see anything that you added to that. And if you want to add anything else, you can just click edit. The next thing that is nice to know is that this navigators section over here brings you to shows you all the different pages that are included within the website, and it can allow you to edit anything. So if you want to edit a page, you can click on options, and it will bring you to all your different pages on your portfolio. For example, if I wanted to delete the lesson plans page that I just made, or edit it or rename it, you can press on edit, and I can add any other lesson plan. So I can add lesson plans about nature, so nature lesson plans, and include those in there as well. And again, you want to click save. You can also create a new page from this navigator section. You just click on new and you press create a page, and then you can just create a new page. You could say mindfulness strategies, and then you just create the page, and now you have a new page on your portfolio. Next is how to get back to your cover page. You just press on the wiki and it brings you back to your front page. To upload files, you just click on upload files over here on the right hand top side, and you can input any files you'd like. For example, we could include a picture, and it will show you up here with the check mark that you uploaded the file. To add that file to your document, you can create a new page, and say this is visuals page, and you just click on add link, and you can browse pages and files that you had saved, and here's the thing that I just inserted, and you can include it into your portfolio. and click on save so that it saves to your document. And those are a few basic steps on how to use the EDUhub on PBworks.